in the entire spectrum ya Gusii abajumbe mbaro bakorire batemire gukora something. And I think it's good to also clear that nonye tobwate these sides tobwate abasike muno musiko kitutu cha North. You saw when the president is coming to Nyaribari for the third time koronchie para aroncheti nanda aroncheti itanya korunse Chafet was launching a road that is complete. Taribo nowhere else ekero miruka alfa akoronchi KMTC erete wanafunzi baso into we were even to launch that KMTC again onye tatakura ekero omosiko Osoro South Mugirango. In fact, he has done what I was reading in the report, over 116 kilometers of tarmac road. Nyaribari, we have not done 1 kilometer. Nomonto, okoa, Osoro, chibesa, nomochumbe, oito. So, and you replicate literally what Kevagandi is doing there. He is launching a road that is complete. Into we are launching. Is it the same launching too? we are era kuigore para ya elire tani kuigora na into to kale koronchi para so taite kwa kike kamago. That is where the challenges, because you don't understand, you are not in touch with the challenges.